Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of installing the Java Development Kit, or JDK, on your system. Whether you're setting up your development environment for the first time or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start coding in Java on your computer. Let's get started. To install the Java Development Kit, JDK, on your system, follow these steps based on your operating system. First, visit the official JDK download page. The link is in the description below. Choose the version that matches your operating system and click on the appropriate link to start the download. Once the installer has finished downloading, run it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the JDK. During the installation, you'll have the option to change the installation path if you prefer to install it in a different location. After the installation is complete, the JDK will be ready to use on your system. To verify the installation, open the command prompt and type Java version. That's it! You've successfully installed the JDK on your system. Now you're ready to start developing in Java. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!